Hi friends, today we are going to make greeting card. Things needed: 2 tinted sheets, some craft papers, glue, scissor, some beads, pencil and sketch pens. Now take a tinted sheet and fold it into half. Now keep it aside. Do the same for this one also. Now open it. Now take the glue. Apply glue on one side. And then stick it. Then apply glue on the other. And then stick this also. It will look like this. Now take a craft paper, then fold it like this. Then open it and then cut it. Now keep one piece of paper aside, we need 3. Then fold it like this. Now take a pencil and draw heart shape. And then cut it. Then open it. Now cut it like this. It will look like this. Do same for remaining 2. Now take a craft paper, fold it like this. Here also same technique, but there is a little change. And then cut it. Now take a piece of paper, then fold it like this. Now, here we have to draw a bigger heart than the first one. and then cut it. It will look like this. Now open all of them. Now take sketch pen. You can take pencil also. Then do like this. Do same for all. Now take a white flower and a pink flower. Then apply glue here and then stick this. Do same for all. They will look like this. Now take a bead and glue. Apply glue in the middle and then stick the bead. Your flowers are ready. Now take a green craft paper for leaf, then fold it like this. Then open it and cut it. Now take two pieces of paper, then fold it into triangle shape. And then cut them. Now take one triangle and fold it like this. Then fold it like this. Then apply glue on one side and then stick. Your leaf is ready. Do same for the others. Your leaves are ready. Then keep it aside. Now take this and a pencil and then draw like this. Then color it with sketch pen. It will look like this. Now take the flowers and leaves. Keep them like this. And then stick them. You can write your message here and your greeting card is ready.